So a couple of signs that you need screen wash topping up would be obviously water not coming out of your screen washer jets or just dribbling out, not much pressure there. And of course, if you've got a car with a warning symbol, something like that will pop up on your dash display. It looks like someone's taken a whiz while laying in a bath. Yeah, that'll be a symbol for your screen wash level getting low and needing topping up. Right, so we're going to top it up. We need some screen wash, of course. You can get ready to use stuff, which I got here, or you can get a concentrate which you have to mix with water. Either one will do you just fine. I find pouring it into a drinks bottle like this is easier to pour in to where it needs to go than doing it through the big fat neck of this bottle. So next time what we're going to do is, look at that handy space. So keep hold of that. So yeah, under the bonnet, what we're looking for is this symbol here. So any lid flap, anything like lid flap, anything that's going to have this same symbol that we had come up on the dash on is going to be for your screen washer. All right, so on the BMW E90, that just flips up, badink, and it's going to pour in there. Look how dirty that is. That needs a clean. Right, so simple as getting your receptacle and pouring it in. Right, bosh, away we go. Obviously we don't want to spill none, we don't want messy mess, and you just keep going until, I mean, you can fill it right to the top of the filler tube. So I'm trying that tube, and then you see the level up here, but I tend to do it just before it gets to that point. You just keep going and fill out, and that's it. Simple deal. Put as much as you need in there, and then when you go back to start it up, you should have that light come off your dashboard and all is set. So that's it. A bit of screen wash in that one. Real simple, real easy. Yeah, real easy. The main thing is to put it in the right way. You don't want to be putting it in where the oil goes, where your engine coolant goes. It goes in that one with the old doing a PP while laying in a bath symbol. All right, jobs are good, and please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.